Welcome to this review of the smoke detector spy camera. Okay, so here is everything that it comes with. Now over here is the smoke detector spy camera. Here's the manual, the remote control, and the charger cable, and the cable to use to connect the camera to the computer to retrieve the data. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how to set it up. Now what looks like an ordinary smoke detector is actually a spy camera. Now right over here is the camera lens. I'm going to give you an up-close look. Here is the sensor, and over here are the indicator lights. Okay, now I'm going to be opening it up. So you turn it counterclockwise. Now right over here is the on and off switch. Here is the charger and connector port, and right above it is where to install the memory card. This uses a micro SD card, and you can put up to a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. First thing I'm going to do is to install the memory card. So I'm going to show you how to install it. Now you need to push the card in, and once it clicks, it's properly installed. And there you go. The card is installed, and the next thing you need to do is turn the camera on. Okay, now I'm going to replace the cover. Okay, now it's closed. I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, now right here is the remote control. This is how you operate it. You need the remote control in order to operate this. There are no buttons on the camera itself to operate the camera. There is this plastic to remove, and this will release the battery so you can start to use it. Okay, now to turn the camera on, press the power button. Okay, when you see the indicator lights flash like so and appear like so, it means the camera is powered on and is now in standby mode. Okay. To take a video, just press the video record button. As you just saw, the camera flashed several times and turned off, and the camera is now recording video. To stop recording video, press the video recording button again. The camera has stopped recording video. The file is saved as an AVI file, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now to take a photo, press the photo button. As you just saw, the camera flashed blue and is back in red. You just took a photo. To take another photo, press the photo button again. To take another photo, press the photo button again. And so on and so forth. To record video with motion detection while the camera is in standby mode, press the video recording with motion detection button. Now as you just saw, the camera flashed several times and turned off, and the camera is now in video recording motion detection mode. Now when something passes by the camera, a blue light will flash, and that means the camera will start recording video. Okay, so I'm going to wave my hand past the camera, and you're going to see the blue light flash, and then it is going to start recording video. And there you go. The camera is now recording video. To stop the camera from recording in motion detection video mode, press the motion detection video record button. The video recording has now stopped. The file is saved as an AVI file, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now for sound recording, press the sound recording button. As you just saw, the light flashed several times, and the camera is now recording sound. To stop recording sound, press the sound recording button. Sound recording has now stopped. The file is saved as a WAV file, and the camera is now back in standby mode. To turn the camera off, press the power button, and the camera is now powered off. Now this camera doesn't come with any hardware, so to mount it, You can place it on a wall and mount it with screws. And then once it's mounted, you can just put it on like so. And it's ready to use. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a demonstration, so please stay tuned. Okay, this is a test of the smoke detector spy camera. I'm going to be doing a test to see how the video turns out and to see how the audio turns out. Okay, so I'm currently about a foot away from the camera, walking around. Now keep in mind that the quality of the camera can be impacted based on the lighting of the room, so the best thing to do is to take footage in areas that are lighted differently to help you achieve the desired results. Okay, I'm currently about 9 feet away. Okay, so there you have it. This was a test of the smoke detector spy camera, and the test is now complete. Okay, so there you have it. This was a review of the smoke detector spy camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.